What's this about, man?
Oh, look at my toenail, that's rank.
Charlie's in that shit. Put some coke Freddie loves it.
Oh, my sock's really dirty as well.
Flapping the way.
Fucking hell.
Lolly.
It's like a tractor that's breaking down. Everyone put his socks on that. Jamie, put yours on there as well. Jamie, put your sock on there too. Come on. Jamie, take your sock off and put it on. Should we build a tower on her neck?
Let's play Buckaroo. Buckaroo.
Buckaroo. That's good stuff, isn't it? Whose is that one? Ain't that you then?
Oh,
Can I?
Yeah, it's quite cold by now.
Won't you stop?
Oh, you're eating cold chips.
These are all going on Facebook.
This is going on YouTube.
Charlie's got sweet on a chip.
Matt's just too far.
Bad to be like.
No. This needs to be the foundation.
If she wakes up and looks at me filming it, hit me.
We're going to have a heart attack. What else can we get? This is going to kill her, isn't it?
This is the best Buckaroo ever. No.
Oh, no, what's up?
Booby. Someone tuck a boob back in. It's degrading.
It's degrading to the women.
She stopped snoring. She's probably awake.
What do you get for getting crunk, bitch?
Crunk.
This isn't working.
Oh Jesus.
What?
Freddie's telling me to look up her skirt.
Creator bring of beer.
Everyone quickly get drunk.
Are you still recording?
Yes, for 3 minutes.
This is really bad.
Oh my God.
She's been drinking loads.
She's waking up.
Wait, I saw some work.
Paint. Put samurai sword. Why do they want holidays?